Do you know the real health of the relationship with your business partners? Analysis of over 23,000 evaluations shows the many benefits of stronger relationships between marketers and agencies, such as more trust, better quality of work, happier teams, and many more. But how can you get tangible feedback that can be actioned upon? The Relationship Tracker, powered by Aprais. Relationship Tracker is a simple and effective tool for measuring the health of the relationship between marketers and their agency partners. By addressing areas of concern at an early stage, relationships can benefit from steady and measurable improvements over time. The tool has been developed exclusively for members in cooperation with Aprais, the market leaders in building stronger business relationships. The Aprais online platform is used by many of the world's leading marketers and agencies. Aprais also manages the evaluations, visualizes the results, and supports users in case of any questions. The evaluation is carried out with a set of defined questionnaires structured for different agency types. Inputs from both the marketer team and agency partners are evaluated. Participants receive a personalized invitation by email with a link to the questionnaire. They can evaluate the collaboration precisely using the Aprais 100-point scale. In addition to scoring against a set of questions within service disciplines, such as account leadership and collaboration, participants are encouraged to write a commentary to substantiate their scoring at different stages during the questionnaire. They also have an opportunity to provide overall comments and sentiments of the relationship at the end of the questionnaire. The process will take just 15 minutes to complete. The results are reported in PowerPoint format. They show results anonymously and separately for the agency and marketer teams. They also include unique benchmarks from the Aprais global database. You will also see the verbatim comments from participants. These provide valuable nuance to the scores for both agency and marketer teams. The results and feedback can be used to develop action plans to address issues identified in the process. Evidence shows that if regularly conducted, these evaluations will result in the improvement of both the quality of the work and the relationship. The Relationship Tracker, powered by Aprais. An innovative tool for measuring and improving your agency relationships. Available to order now, exclusively for members.